Athaki na kuuma mathukuru ma secondary kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu nimegukorwo magikuruhanio thiini wa timu ya bururi ya Nyarari nio Malkia Strikers, uhoro uria urekereirio ni kocha wa timu ino Ramdu Shailin.
I spotted 4 talents in one school, believe it or not, who has produced players in the past, Cheptail High School. There are already 4 girls I've identified officially.
Itua riri ria Ramdu riumanite nake gukorwo akirorera Airitu magithaka thiini wa hambatano cia amako iria iratirihirwo wikendi thiru mucini wa Eldoret.
So at least this time I spent enough time yesterday and today to look around, and they're 15-year-olds. They are and I took pictures of them, their coaches, and I'm very proud that the coach there.
Kungi nakuo athaki Haman Humwa na Eden Agero nimetitwo thiini wa timu ya gonya ya athaki mugwanja mwena nio Kenya Sevens niguo gucoka ithenya-ini ria athaki Dansi Kuta na Daniel Tabu aria makorirwo makigia na nguraro kiumia githiru thiini wa ngucanio cia ikereka ria London Series. Itua riri ria kocha Paul Murunga riukite oriri timu ino ya Kenya Sevens irageria kwiyeheria kigera-ini gia gukorwo giikurukio ngathi kuma ligi-ini nene ya HSBC Series kumana na maumirira matari mega. Na muthia athakia na timu ya bururi ya golf ni moimagaririe umuthi guthie kunyita itemi thiini wa hambatano cia gitaru kia irathiro ria Africa iria igakorwo ikiambiriria kiumia giukite mucini wa Bujumbura bururi-ini wa Rwanda. Timu ino ikuruhanitie athaki a gikiro kia iguru kia ngucanio ici aria ni Samuel Njoroge na Simon Njogu, guku athaki Mutahi Kibugu na Zubil Khan makirugamirira athaki a gikiro gia thi. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithe Fethi.